Hi guys, and welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll be changing last resort from daytime to nighttime. So before I start, I want to give a shout out to Profile Name for helping me figure this out. We've already changed the skybox in our map to the one from Lockout, but now we're going to take it a step further. So to do that, you want to click your scenario and you want to scroll down in the properties palette to the very bottom, and you'll see these bottom three ones here, which will be changing: atmospheric, chocolate mountain, and new light maps. So first, let's change atmospheric. So you would want these to be the same as your skybox. So since we chose lockout, if we go back up a few folders into DLC, lockout, sky, you'll see there's a file that corresponds with this lockout skybox that we already have. So you want to select that, and you'll notice there's already a pretty big change. Everything's dark. You want to make sure you save after you do these, because there is a high chance it will crash while you're changing some of these. So next thing we want to do is change the chocolate mountain. So again, you want to go up into whatever skybox you chose. For us, it was lockout. And you want to go and select the Lockout Chocolate Mountain New. Now click that. Again, make sure you save. So this is the last one here, which is the new light maps, which is the one that has the highest chance of crashing the program. So just click it and click three dots and go up a few folders again, going to lockout, and you'll see here the file. So let's double click that. So this one just crashed the program. You'll see an error that says, oops, scenario name too long, unable to create scenario fragments. This is a bad thing. Do not check in the scenario until you have fixed this and recompiled scripts. If you click OK, it'll close your Sapien. So click OK. So here I am now in the folder for the map that we're editing under tags, levels, multi, Zanzibar. And you'll notice that there's this new file that has all these numbers, which is like the date, time, and stuff, and .scenario. So what you want to do is click your Zanzibar.scenario and just copy it, Control C and Control V, and then all you want to do here is delete this one, which was the original one, and you want to just backspace until this one just says Zanzibar.scenario. Now let's go ahead and open it back up in Sapien. So here we are, Sapien's opening. That's our copy of our original one. This is the one that had the crash with all those numbers and letters. And let's just double click that and it should load properly. Okay, and here we are. You can see the lighting is now dark now. And you're gonna notice a few things that might look weird, like the water is still bright, and sometimes you might have flickering when you're in your tab view. You might see some stuff go really bright for a second. Now, this is mostly an issue with Sapien and shouldn't happen too much when you bring the map into the Master Chief Collection. Although it still does happen, it's much less than what it is in Sapien. So there's one last thing we have to do now. You want to go open the scenario here, folder, go into structure data, you'll see decorator brush. Click that and it should light up a lot of random stuff on the map. I actually already deleted it here, but I'll show you guys what to do. So under decorator sets, you're going to see a lot of elements here. Just click the bottom one, hold shift, select the top one, and delete. And then in addition, you want to go to decorator palette, select all these, hit delete. And when you select decorator brush initially, it will make a lot of stuff kind of highlighted. That's fine. When you delete the decorator sets and palettes, that will go away. Now it's time for you to save your map and you're good to go. That's it. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.